bedazzle, sprazzle, razzle dazzle. Hello my dudes, it's your girl, cybr.grl. So before I start the tutorial, I just kind of want to briefly talk about what exactly Ishoku Hada or Ishoku Hada Gyaru is, because it's still a fairly new style that started around like 2016 to 2017. Ishoku Hada translates to unique skin or remarkable skin, and it basically combines the otherworldly characters of anime, movies, video games, and Gyaru fashion. So one of the substyles of Gyaru is ganguro, and you can kind of tell that somebody's wearing ganguro from the highlight on their nose bridge and under their eyes, and you can also see that in Ishoku Hada. So people who wear Ishoku Hada are like Gyaru, but instead of having tan natural skin, they have uniquely colored skin. So that's why it's called Ishoku Hada. But if you need more inspiration before you try out the style, you can check out Miyako on Instagram. She is kind of like the face of the Ishoku Hada movement, and you can also peep It's Creepy Pea, Cuddle Mushi, Happy End Birthday 1, Lorai, Porcelainette, XX Anemia, and Sai OK. Now for the tutorial. Since it is spoopy season, I wanted to redo an Ishoku Hada look that I did before that was inspired by Lorai and kind of give it like a pumpkin face twist. Alright, so first off, the contacts that I am wearing right now are from Bandora. They are the enlarged DreamCon Pink. Not very obvious, but you know, it's in there. Now for the blue. Now for the blue skin, I'm gonna use this face paint from Tag. I got it for pretty cheap on Amazon, and I was kind of in a hurry trying to get this like a while back. But if you want more high quality stuff, I definitely recommend Mayron or other more like high quality stage makeup brands. But yeah, this is the one that I have on my face right now that I use. So I started with my face primer first, and I sprayed it all over, and then after that I basically just painted on the face paint all over my face with a brush, except for the under eye, over the eye, and yeah, pretty much it. Just everything but the eye area. So after that, I highlighted with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I put it underneath my eye area and on my nose bridge, and I kind of topped it off under my eyes with the NYX white liquid liner just so it'll kind of pop. And then for eyeshadow, I used the Ink Doll Cosmetics Vitamin C palette. It's a really cute palette. It has a bunch of really bright colors on the inside. Bright colors and also dark colors as well. So if you're looking for like a really nice colorful palette, then this is definitely really nice to use. And there's even glitter shades as well in there, so yeah. But the eyeshadow colors that I use are basically, I mixed all the purple shades onto my lid. So after I did my eyeshadow, I went ahead and put some lip balm on my lips just to prime it beforehand, and then I used the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Soul to make my lips purple. And then to create these lines here to kind of look like a pumpkin, I tried my best. I used the Moon Glow neon body paint, the same kind of paint that I used for my previous video, the same one that I used for my Monster Decora girl like slimy drippy thing. So I used that to create the pumpkin outline. So after I drew on the pumpkin shape on my face with the neon paints, I used the NYX Epic Ink Liner to create a cat eye thingy majiggy above the lids of my eyes, and also two lines underneath my under eye area so that it'll be easier for me to put on my lashes later. And by later, I mean now. I put on the lashes on top where you're supposed to put your lashes. I think these were from Amazon. They're pretty, like $7 or something for a pack pack of three, and these are my favorite because they're really, really long and obnoxious. And then I also put some under eyelashes as well. I have no idea where they're from, but yeah. Ba-bam. And to top off everything, to make everything sparkly and cute, I added some glitter on my cheeks as well as the part where I drew on the pumpkin shape. I used the Colourpop. I used the Colourpop glitters on top of the shape just to, you know, add a little oomph, you know, bedazzle, sprazzle, razzle dazzle. And then I completed everything by adding on a wig, my hat, and my fuzzy gloves from Scoper Monstar. This is like one of her old designs, and I think it went really well for the entire look. That is how I created this entire look. Like I said, there are other people on Instagram that you can check out that they do like different colors for their skin, because Ishoku Hada isn't just like, you know, blue skin like a smurf. You can do many different colors. So if you want green skin, pink skin, yellow skin, and different hair styles or colors too. And usually people like to wear a wig on top and contacts to kind of make it look even more like anime character, you know, vibe. So yeah, those are just like some tips I have if you're interested in trying this style. This is the completed look for my Ishoku Hada Gyaru / Halloween kind of look that I did. If you guys are looking for inspiration from anybody else, like I said, I mentioned all those awesome people in the beginning of the video. Have fun with it. Do what you want to do with it. You know, that's how style is, you know, you just want to do what makes you happy. And yeah, I definitely recommend you guys try out Ishoku Hada. It's definitely very different and out there. It definitely does take some time, you know, trying to put on all the makeup and getting everything together, but it's worth it in the end. You look really awesome. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys learned something from it. If you guys would like to watch more colorful jfashion content, feel free to subscribe if you like to, and if you like this video, please give it a like. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time.